What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Python not recognized error when trying to run Python commands in the Windows command prompt. This error usually occurs when Python hasn't been added to your system's environment variables. First, we need to locate where Python is installed in your system. Open the Start menu and type Python. Right-click on the python.exe application and select Open File Location. This will take you to a shortcut of the Python executable file. Right-click on the shortcut and once again select Open File Location. This will bring you to the actual Python installation folder. Now, at the top of your File Explorer, you will see the path to this folder. Click on the path to highlight it, and then right-click and copy the path. Next, we need to add this path to your system's environment variables so Windows knows where to find Python. In the Start menu, search for Edit the System Environment Variables and open the first result. In the System Properties window, under the Advanced tab, click on Environment Variables at the bottom. In the Environment Variables window, under the System Variables section, scroll down and find the entry named Path. Select it and then click on Edit. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click on New and paste the Python installation path that you copied earlier. After doing this, click OK to close all the windows. Now that Python has been added to the system path, open the command prompt. Use the python -version command to check if Python is recognized. This command should display the version of Python installed on your system. If you see the version number, the problem has been fixed. If you're still encountering the error, you might need to reinstall Python with the correct options. Head over to python.org/downloads and download the latest version. During installation, choose the Customize Installation option. In this setup, make sure to check the box labeled Add Python to Environment Variables. This ensures that Python will be automatically added to your system's path without manual intervention. After reinstalling Python, go back to the command prompt and run python -version to verify that it's working. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.